Hey Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you? I am starting to film very late today. It's almost 8 p.m. I had to use my soft boxes, my lights to help me out in this video. Let me know, be honest, what you think about this lighting in this video. Is it good? Is it better? Should I just use more natural light and less of soft boxes? Let me know. As I said, be honest. In today's video, we are reviewing another balloon garland kit from company name Angie. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, here's the name for you so you can read it yourself. I already reviewed one of their kits and I was blown away by the quality and beauty of the balloon garland kit. It was my double stuffed balloon garland with pink and gray colors. I will link that video in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. And I am excited to see if this kit, this new kit, will be exactly the same quality, if it's gonna perform great, and what it's gonna look like. Honestly, I'm going blind into this kit. I have no idea. I haven't seen pictures of this kit, so we're gonna find out what this whole thing will look like together. Everything I will be using in this video, I will link in the description under the video. And without any further ado, guys, let's go. Let's finally see what this kit will include in itself. I did tear it open, but I didn't look into it. We are having a black balloon garland with gold accents. These are orbs balloons, gold confetti, and we have some marble balloons as well. Balloon strip to construct your balloon garland, 2 hooks. If you don't have a backdrop, these will be handy to hang your balloon garland. And we have a roll of glue dots. First things first, you guys, I am starting to blow my balloons individually, and I will be tying them individually as well. I will be using this balloon tying tool to help me do that. Please use this thing. It will save your fingers from blisters. I already tested. I had blisters everywhere until I bought this thing. It's not expensive. Get it. If you don't know how to use this balloon tying tool, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and there I show how I use this thing. So check that video out. If you want to pair your balloons and construct your balloon garland with pairs, then don't use balloon strip. It will be impossible to build your balloon garland. That knot that you would be creating from 2 balloons will be too big for a hole on balloon strip. If you want to pair, use fishing line. All right, let's get to blowing. Time to deal with our confetti balloons. Here is what I do to make my confetti stick to the walls of my balloons. Blow your balloon. I am taking this regular hand towel that I had laying around. You can grab any piece of fabric or even piece of paper towel and start rubbing your cloth, fabric, paper towel on your balloon. This way you're creating static inside of your balloon and confettis will start sticking to your walls. Give it a shake, rub some more if it's needed. And here you have one beautiful confetti balloon. This static will last you for quite a while. I didn't really test it and see how many days it will hold, but it's gonna hold for quite a while. orbs balloons. I usually usually blow my orbs balloons with a straw. This time I am not using no straws, but I'm inserting my balloon straight on my nozzle and just start blowing it. To blow your balloons, orbs balloons, until none of the wrinkles are left on your seams. Okay, I feel like these small orbs balloons are better to be blown with a hand pump. I feel like electric balloon pump gets overheated and it heats that plastic inside of your orbs balloons and it's not letting enough air inside of the balloon. Already looks like we don't have that many balloons, and this garland will be constructed super fast. Let's construct our balloon garland. As you can see, there's two holes, a bigger hole, a little opening, and then smaller hole. So you insert your balloon through the bigger hole. I'm starting with my 18-inch balloon. Make sure your knot is through the hole completely. Slide through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. Now I am not twisting my balloon strip. I am inserting balloons on one side. If you see your balloons are getting crowded and very tight together and balloons are starting to pop out of this strip, then please skip a hole. I can't really tell you a pattern when to skip, when to insert balloons. Just feel your balloon garland, see yourself. If balloons are slipping out, then please skip a hole. Let's take a second one, and I feel like I'm not going to skip holes. It's too early. Again, through the bigger hole, slide it into a smaller hole. Next balloon, again through the hole and slide it into a smaller one. Okay, so far so good. Keep inserting your balloons and you'll be done in no time. I forgot to mention, you guys, I am not using my marble balloons, orbs balloons, and my 5-inch black balloons. I will place them specifically in places where I need them to be. Here is how I hung my balloon garland. I took extra fishing line, wrapped that extra fishing line around my balloon garland, and took it to one of the pinned safety pins on my fabric and tied that fishing line to that safety pin. That's what's holding my balloon garland on my backdrop. Here is how I'm planning to hang my bigger size orbs balloons. I just tied extra piece of fishing line to my orbs balloon, and I will take it to my garland and I'll tie in a spot where I want this balloon to be. My latex balloons, to fill in spaces, I am putting more than one glue dot per balloon to fill in spaces, just to make sure everything's gonna stay in place 100%. You can also use glue dots to fill in spaces with orbs balloons. I feel like using fishing line for your orbs balloons will give you more certainty that orbs balloons will stay in one spot and they're not gonna fall off. Is is what I have for you guys today. Very beautiful balloon garland kit. It was very easy to make this one, and it was very fast, at least for me. It was an hour and a half and I was done with the whole thing. It's with blowing the balloons, with constructing balloon garland, setting everything up, and filling in spaces. So an hour and a half, not bad at all. Quality of all the balloons were great. None of the balloons popped or deflated, or any of the balloons had holes. Everything is good. Everything is working great together, and I will link this kit in the description under the video, so as the count of all the balloons that I used in this video. Alrighty guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Here you have it, you guys. This is it. This is my review of this balloon garland kit from Angie's. I love everything that I see behind me. Everything works great together. At first I thought this kit didn't have enough balloons, but then I started working with everything, and look at this. I came up with amazing looking balloon garland. So never underestimate the quantity of balloons in a kit. If this video was helpful and enjoyable to watch, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer every single question to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!